So now I'll show you another thing you can add to your project library, and that is a prop description. And of course you just go the same way I've showed you, add, and then here you go, props. Name it, choose a folder. And for demonstration, I'm just going to show you one from this example project, and that is Dorothy's Basket. So this is a lot like the location that I just showed you. The prop profile is about a prop from your script, about the actual prop you're going to use when you shoot. So, of course, Dorothy's Basket is in the script, and we know we need that prop. So this is the physical description of the prop we're going to use on the shoot. So you've got your description box right here, and then media, and this would be a great one to add a picture to, especially if you have it. And then down here, we've got details, and this is a great little option right here, the scenes that it's used in. And again, we got this pick list option, and we can pick from different scenes, and it's taking these scenes straight from our screenplay. And you can see if I had multiple screenplays, I could pick which one I wanted as well. Have the characters used by option with another pick list, size, era, and color. And then in the next box, we have procurement, and this is how we're going to get it. Are we going to rent it, buy it, build it, or borrow it? And then we've got the dates needed, probably more important if you're doing anything besides buy or build. You've got the cost, and the return date if that's applicable. So we'll minimize that, and then the next one is contact information. And depending on what you're doing, if you're renting it, this is where you're renting it from. If you're buying it, this is where you're buying it from. Got a name, phone number, address, email address, cell, and comments. We need to purchase 3 of these. So you can see this is really useful, especially when you're planning the actual production of your screenplay. And just a thought, if you were just using Celtx to write a screenplay, and you know that you want to shoot this, do a video production, shoot this screenplay eventually, it'd probably be a good idea just to add these items as you go. Like you're writing your screenplay and then you write in this important prop, this basket. You just go ahead and add it and write your description and then perhaps start your details, and then later you could fill out this other information about how you're going to get it and the contact information of where you're going to get it. So you know it'll be right here in your project library, and you won't have to go back through your screenplay and identify all the props and add them all at one time. They'll already be here, they just won't be complete. And then you'll know that they need to be complete, and you'll figure out how you're going to get it. So that is the prop profile option, and just another item, a very useful item you can add to your project library.